I was even younger than you.
Dada, say hello.
About to go shred some gnar.
I told you, better document this because you won't see it again in your lifetime.
Yep.
That's for sure. What's up, guys? We're in 9B. Today is February 16th of 2021. And filming the after the snow and before the storm tomorrow.
Hey! Looks like, oh wait, I'm zooming. Looks like Alaska or Colorado or something. Let me show you all.
Crazy. It's 27 degrees out here.
27?
Yeah.
Sweet. Any thoughts?
I don't know about all this. It's a little bit chilly.
A little bit chilly, Hannah?
I think the world forgot what Texas is supposed to be like.
Yes.
We're walking on ice here.
No, for real. Let me show you a little bit. So this is 9B, is what we call 9B. It's like one of Slate's family's houses or something. I really don't know. But here's the lake. So pretty. House is back there. We'll show you all a little bit more of that when we get back up there. Right now we got
Stella.
Yeah, oh my gosh, Stella is bad. Stella Grace. Sit, hey.
Sit.
Stella, look at Mom. Look at the camera, Stella. Stella. She absolutely loves the snow. She does not want to go inside for any reason at all. And if she is inside, look at her. If she is inside, she's just sitting at the door waiting to go outside. There she is currently. Sis. But we blew up some inner tubes and we are currently going down the mountain, or this is like a mountain basically. And we will insert some clips of that in a little bit.
Goodbye. This is the dam. We're going down these tubes.
Did you not get off?
But the problem is there's water down there and over here. It comes outside of the other dam. So we'll see. We'll show you how it is.
Look at it. Still.
All right, guys. I'm on the sled now, going down that mountain. So we'll see how it goes. Go, I guess. Woo-hoo! Oh! 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 Well, we made it alive. There they are. Whew.
What's up, guys? It's day 2 of us playing in the snow. This is Sid, my sister.
Nice to meet you.
Anyways, we are about to head over to the dam where we were yesterday. We'll be sure to get some clips this time. We're about to pull Hannah and David on the kneeboard tube. Can you cut that off? Yeah, on the tube behind the truck on the way to the dam. So we will keep you updated and I'll try to get some footage of that.
And hope we don't freeze.
Yeah, we're gonna freeze. And the snow is a little bit harder today. It's like more compacted, like I think because of the sleet. So we'll keep y'all updated.
Is this Texas? Or Canada?
snowing like crazy. I have actually never seen something like this on top of everything else. It's pretty cool. Okay, we just made it back from playing in the snow. Look at it. I don't even know if y'all can tell, but it is literally coming down so hard. That's the dam that we go down. It's going so hard. I would give playing in the snow a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 for me.
David?
11 out of 10.
Slate?
Oh, it was good.
Toodles?
10 out of 10.
We are now about to go get on the Ranger and ride around the land. And we will check back with y'all after that.
It's hot.
Well, we have made it back in from the snow. We ate some spaghetti tonight. I'll show you what's left. Look at this big pot. Looks like we're feeding our army. Spaghetti.
We can watch Titanic.
Now we are trying to pick a movie, stay warm, and making brownies. These are two different types of brownie mix because it wasn't, one just didn't seem enough.
Well, because they didn't have an 8x8.
One just didn't seem enough for everyone that's here. It's about like 8 people, I think, 8 or 10. And so yeah, one of them is caramel brownies and one of them is milk chocolate.
That's the movie I was talking about the other day.
Gonna be very yummy. Looks like we are gonna be here at 9B for at least another 2 days. We still don't have power in Nacogdoches or water, and just the roads are really bad. So yeah, we will see some more clips of us playing in the snow at 9B. Come here, Stella. Stella, come here.
He just threw that guy.
Hi, sister. What are you doing? You say hi to the vlog? Say hi, Stella Bell.